Hello guys, this is my 175th 175th video of the fluent English speaking skills. Guys, as you can hear that my voice is not as regular. It's because of the sickness or cough that had done because of my mistake also. I eat the cream of the cake, very cold cream, so it stuck in my throat and it chilled over the whole my neck and throat, so it feels much more cough and illness are at that place. And I apply the Vicks and all. It feels much more nicer than before. Not only that, I yesterday I went to ride my cycle to the near my near to the river or canal, you can say, the backwater of the dam, JIP tank, where I wet my cycle, means clear all the dirt that are present in my cycle, and it was very nice and fun journey. And tomorrow and the day after tomorrow and the day after tomorrow's tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow's tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. So for that occasion, there my college decided to take the unit test exam, but the exam is cancelled because of the auspicious day. But I feel that if the exam will done at that time, so it will be very nice for the all of the children or the student, because we are relaxed over the that after that day. But the unit test paper contains much more higher knowledge, so it's very harder to uh, grasp it, because each single day contains the two paper. There is no break or a no break between the next day and the previous day. So it was very nice, but we get the whole potential in that only. But the thing is happen, appreciate that and accept that. The three thing is very important. First thing is having vitamin N, learn to say no, have the parameter. I don't go such kind of people, I don't drink, I don't do any kind of addicted work, and I can do the thing that I don't wanted to do, but that will give me the future progress in my whole body or the whole life. And the second thing, prioritize your schedule. In Marathi we called as first I tell with the English, first study, then on after studying quickly go for the external work, means outside outdoor game or the outdoor exercise. Indoor exercise is not uh, appropriate as per my experience and my choice. So external thing is very important. By talking to the different kind of people is the most thing you can do when you go outside. The third thing and the very important thing is that don't complain. Don't complain. Be always be positive. Always be positive. If you see that other thing is negative, so don't see the thing is that positive or negative. See it like at neutral. Don't see it positive or negative. See it like a neutral. When you see some kind of a problem, don't tell the it's a problem. Say that something that I can handle. I don't consider it as a problem, but the things that a guy can't handle, that becomes my problem. But after a certain duration time, I am stick to the thing. And if I and after sticking it, you definitely get a solution. After you get it and you stick the formula how you get it, and you do the same thing, so you will never fall the same pit again and again. You will fall the next pit, or you will analyze it and crisscross it, go further in your life. That's the main thing. And also I wanted to explain that in I'm in every content I am said that in the till you black man, black boy, that kind of scene I am putting the name of that scene. In the local train, the boy trying to go and the one slap it, see the bad word chutia, like kind of thing. And also someone kick his foot because he put us not intentionally but accidentally. He's spoofed his touch to the other person's pant and the boot, so he kick his feet because its height is low, and the other person say think that it tolerate whatever he done to him, but he can't. He straight away in eye contact said, why are you hitting me? Huh? You are you are looking me as like a bhaiya in UP, or you are think that I am chutia. No man, no. I can break you. I can break you. I can don't listen to you. The other person move their hand. At the time, the person is very aggressive and they tell, hit me. I will tell you the lesson. Then at lastly, the other person increase their voice, and also the Tilu increase the voice. So after that, the man gets down. The thing is that I previously tell also that if you get suppressed by someone, then the person is trying to suppress you more and more. If they're trying to suppress, you don't get suppressed, then they feel that the person is not suppressible, so they leave it and go away. That's the main case, or main the scenario. So the best thing is that after that the Tilu confidently say the some false thing that I have the fielding, I have the what we call wakil in advocate. I have the advocate and police backup. I have the firm backup inside me, in back of me. So I don't care any kind of thing. I will kill you. Then only I go to the jail. That kind of word. He said with the perfection and confidence, with the increase in pitch and all. So I very love the thing that he stand for himself. So you should also stand for yourself. Don't think that. I'm thinking the way that today is my last day. I'm gonna die. At the time, I die with the crying or the fearing in my body. So the thing is that when you die, you are definitely gonna die. At the time, you fix your die. So don't be cry or don't be fear. Be happily, निर्भीडपणे गले मिल मरण्याच्या means hug the dead with happiness into your heart and into your smile. Pure smiler, pure smile. Don't be the fake smiler. Be the one who you are. Don't be ideal. Be natural. Be real. Always be real. Always be yourself. Don't showcase your personality to the other self. Don't copy it. Don't be ideal. Be natural. Be yourself. आयुष्यात कोणी तुला मदत करणार नाही, स्वतःची मदत तुला स्वतः करायची. In your life, no one will give the helping hand to yourself other than the parents, but sometimes parents also, you are father to the parents. The only thing that you are helping is you and only you. Rest of the people don't help you. So think like that. Is someone with me or someone not with me, I am always happy. I don't care. Be vulnerable. I don't care whether it's easy or hard. Doesn't even matter to me. It's a reaction, it's a discipline. That's the way I supposed to choose to live my life. Body thought, emotionless, thoughtless, discipline. That's the main way. Happily live your life and think like that. I am the actor. My name is Girish and I am this body operator. The name is given to the skin and body and all kind of shape and color and the education, the food, the family is not chosen by me. The external thing is not in my hand, the internal thing is in my hand. So you are the actor, so act 100%. That's it. Thank you God for giving me such a wonderful life, and thank you God for everything. Thank you God for giving me everything. That's all for today. That's all for today. I forgot the line is that thank you God for giving me such a wonderful life and everything. Thank you God for giving me everything. I'm emotionless. Attachment is the root cause of all problem. So that's it for today. I'm loving with my God. That's it for today. I'm loving with my God and my family. I'm physical and mental in peace. Thank you God for giving me such a wonderful and healthy body. I'm attached with all the illusions that are present in the universe. Life is greater. आयुष्य खूप चांगलं आहे. देवा काळजी अहम ब्रह्मस्मी ब्रह्मतंश ब्रह्मस्मी ब्रह्मतंश मायामध्ये ओम नमः शिवाय. दॅट्स इट फॉर टुडे. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. देवा काळजी रे. तो होल द थिंग्स and that the stress the thoughts give to the God. All thing is handled by him. Only focus on the small parts of the small box. And the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Tulsa Bhavani Ambabai, Maya Devi, Jagadamba, Ai Jagadamba, all definitely help you. Don't be the hopeless guy. Om Nishai. All will be happy. The day without smile is a day wasted.